Emptiness. The truest description of reality itself. Emptiness. But most of you will misunderstand this word because as a word it is fallacious. Words are inherently difficult to understand. Language is a very poor form of communication. Unfortunately, that's the best option we have. I would guess that most of the problems of our world, at least our society, are based in misunderstandings due to our misunderstood words. It all comes down to semantics. Every word has so many meanings. Each word can be defined half a dozen ways, and then can be understood or misunderstood 100 other ways, depending on the context and the other words that are being heard. Each person has an emotional feeling or understanding for that particular word as they grew to understand it through their life. And each society and even each region has a different meaning for different words and different connotations of that word. So I'm speaking with you today with the understanding that I will be misunderstood. Emptiness. Let's first look at emptiness from the view of a physicist. They will tell you that 99.9% of all matter is empty space. Of course, a quantum physicist would probably go on to say that it's more accurate to say it's 100% empty, and what we perceive as matter is the result of electromagnetic vibrations, which create magnetic fields and polarities to create microparticles, which go on to create macroparticles, atoms, molecules, elements, and finally the structures that you and I see, hear, and feel, and understand with our five senses, which are themselves limited. But let's look at emptiness now from the point of view of a meditator. When one experiences pure consciousness, one is not experiencing memories of the past. One is not considering visualizations of the future. If one is completely present and has pure consciousness, then there is nothing at that moment. Nothing but pure potential. So emptiness is pure consciousness with infinite potential. So I just want to try to communicate with you that emptiness is not empty. Emptiness is full of possibilities.